It's no secret that content creation can often take years and years of work and a stroke of luck for it to ever give you any results. And it will often take even longer for you to just earn some money from it. To earn even close to a livable wage takes some people decades. Therefore, it's clear to see why 99% of us have to do this alongside a full-time job. And that's where in the past, many rising creators and YouTube channels have fallen apart. Around 9 months ago, I was making my jump from unemployment to full-time work. After university, I spent almost 7 months solidly working on YouTube videos whilst applying to positions. I spent hours every day filming, editing and scheduling videos. But then January came along and that all changed. Before starting my full-time job, I didn't think that this would get in the way of my content creation. I thought this won't be that hard, I'll do a few hours here and there after work and at the weekend. I'll be fine, I'll get videos out. But it didn't take long for the reality to hit me. The more and more that days passed, the less and less energy I would have after work. Especially because my job is in marketing and I spend a lot of my days filming and editing content. Therefore, I would spend all my creative energy before I even got a chance to sit in front of my own audience. And as the weeks rolled by, the more and more my fitness channel started to fade. Because I would spend 8 hours at work and then an hour and a half at the gym too. And when I got home, all I wanted to do was eat and collapse on my bed. This continued on for several months up until now, where I have finally addressed it and restarted my video content in a much more time efficient way. I'll get onto how I did that later in the video. But the reality is, as soon as you start work, your time becomes your biggest currency. You are going to have a very small window every day and every week to work on your content, especially if you work 9 to 5 like I am. And you are going to struggle at times having the motivation and discipline to work on it. It is also extremely hard for a lot of us to get our channel to a point where we can even monetize, or get our channel big enough where we can actually get sponsorships. I made videos consistently for almost 2 years and I didn't even get close to being monetized or earning anything. I got sent some hair gel by a random company, but that was it. So how do you ensure that your content creation remains successful alongside your job? Firstly, you have to plan and schedule out your days and find specific times every week when you can work on your videos. And you have to stick to this no matter how tired or lacking in motivation you are. You also want to try and record and produce videos in bulk, meaning record 2 or 3 videos at a time and try and schedule videos at least a week in advance. So if you really can't find time to work on videos for a certain period of time, videos are still going up and your audience is getting served. Another thing that has massively helped me in my last month of this new channel was hiring an editor. If you search well enough, you can find quality freelancers on a site like Upwork. And there's more than enough people seeking work on these platforms. Although definitely screen these people well enough and maybe get them to do a test edit so you know they're going to be quality for your channel. You don't have to get every video edited if you're tight on money, but this will immensely speed up your content process. And the time you save is worth the cost in my opinion. The reason I managed to schedule this video at least 2 weeks in advance is due to this. I still edit videos like this one, but I try and send at least 1 a week to an editor. And this means that I can get ahead on videos very quickly. It also means I can focus on different things, like how to get the thumbnails even better and which ideas are going to work. Trying to break through in content creation at the start can be one of the hardest things you ever do. At the beginning, you can spend months grinding away at videos and see no viewership at all. But one thing's for sure, it's never going to take off if you don't keep giving it a chance to. by uploading, and uploading. For example, see how tough it was for me growing my first channel from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers, and the harsh realities that came from that. Just watch this video right here to learn more about that. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button so I can help us all grow and get our breakthrough. Peace.